Simple. Can you imagine? This girl when I call my babe, she cheat on me ever since. I don't even know. Now today I just noticed this girl. Today I must kill this girl. Come for the what now? I want it. Come on,
Don't kill me, I beg. Don't kill me alone. You want to kill me? Somebody should please help me. Oh my God, I want to
Today, they pursue person this cold afternoon. No, I can't pursue one.
today, you go die today. I'll kill this guy today. Timothy, Timothy, can you imagine? This girl when I call my babe, she cheat on me ever since. I don't even know. Now today I just noticed this girl. Today I must kill this girl. Come for the what now? I want it.
Timothy, wait, you are my friend. Why you do like this?
I know.
Calm down. If you kill her now, what you gain?
I don't care what I gain. I don't care, but today I must kill this girl. Timothy, calm down now.
There are so many guests.
Now where they look? Oh,
calm down. There are so many guests outside when we say you go fit carry. If you can't kill this girl, you don't do anything. I beg. Calm down, Timothy.
but on one condition. Make this girl not call my number again. Block my line after today. No try him again. Not try him again.
What type of plane is this?
They have left you behind.
Timothy, this now. No worry, calm down. I'll help you beg on here. I'll help you beg on. Timothy, oh yeah, calm down. Calm down. Oh yeah, calm down. Timothy, don't do now. See, babe. Smile, Joe. Now we say the expect now be this one. As it doesn't no want you again. Now I can have you all to myself. I said, babe, let's go and knock.
May God not allow them, make them kill you. Sorry, oh.
So not true. You ain't my best friend. Now you even call it toast my name today. Be like, I go use this food on you today.
Timothy, don't be like that.
Leave me alone. Timothy, I told you. He's not supposed to be your best friend.
I knew.
This is plain.
I knew.
Yeah,
Right from time, I
left
knew. Just take a look at him.
Timothy.
If I get
Will you keep quiet?
get Timothy, I swear you'll get you go down. Disgrace.
Go dey carry on that
Ayé dorí kodò.